good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today we in old Meech today. So this what we about to ride in. Gotta go run some errands and stuff first, and then we gonna try to get wife in this thing and get her to turn it up a little bit and do a little something. So you know, we gonna drive this bad boy today. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all see it. Been running her errands, me and the wifey. She over there on the phone. Gonna leave this thing running. I told you this real deal good running car, man. So we gonna ride. You gonna be scared to drive that thing later?
No.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we gonna see. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so we checking in. Made it back. About to try to get this footage for y'all real quick before it rains, cause it look like we got a little cloud, man. I hope it don't rain. So we about to get, need a gorilla part, boy. My thing, the legs popping all this thing. I need to get the Best Buy. But anyway, yep, I'm about to try to get wife out here, let her drive Big Meech for the first time ever. Like, no lie, this gonna be her first time ever driving this car. I had a small block 355 in this car the very first time I owned it. She didn't drive it. I had the big block in it. She didn't drive it. And now we got a stock 350 in it. And this gonna be her first time ever driving this car. So, first time, might as well, I'll keep looking at these clouds. Might as well break in right. So, we're gonna get her driving it. We're gonna put the GoPro in there, catch her driving. We're gonna see how she doing all that. Y'all noticed the last time she drove the Camaro. So this should be a breeze, except this right here, instant throttle response. Soon you hit the gas, boy, them 4 things, it ready to take off. Ain't no stall converter in, none of that. So, then set the GoPro up. Catch me and her in the car, get her driving. Catch my reaction. And then we're gonna go to, we're gonna take a ride to Mexico. It's gonna be a long trip, but we're gonna go to Mexico. And then when we get there, we're gonna get a little smoke show and see how well she do. So yep, I'm gonna leave the GoPro in there. When she do that, I'm gonna hop out, catch the outside view so y'all can see how she get down. And then we gonna get her afterthoughts. Yeah, she gonna wanna, now, yep, first burnout too. First burnout. So yeah, that's what this video gonna be called. Wife's first burnout ever. First burnout. So yep, this gonna be funny, man. This gonna be funny. But like I said, been driving the car around today. Been doing good, man. Been doing real good. Meech doing, boy, hey, this thing like fuel injection. Look. Check me out. It been sitting there, it's cold. It is cold. I just rolled the window down. Fuel injection. Fuel injection. Already idle down and everything. Boy, now when I crank it up next time, I hit the gas, the electric choke gonna kick in, cause it cold. Boy, I guarantee the electric choke gonna kick in. Told you. I knew it called the engine cold. So I guess I'm gonna let this thing warm up. By the time she come out of here, electric choke will disengage and we'll be ready to go. Hope she come on, man, cause okay, I know we can't get caught in no rain with Meech. I ain't got no more Rain-X on the window either. I might need to go ahead and put some on. I ain't cut the fuel pump on. No fuel pump. We need that. Let the gas get back up there. Now empty the bowls now. I'm gonna have to hit the. There we go. Had to fill the bowls back up. Oh yeah, we ready. Gonna get her out the house. Then we're gonna see what happens. Alright. Checking in. She finally came. She trying to let the rain come because she's scared. So definitely putting a seatbelt on. You know that. See, she ain't a real 80s baby. She modern technology. She born in 86. I'm born in 85. See, 85 and under the real 80s baby.
Earrings on?
You need no earrings on. You trying to be cute. Yeah, you gotta hold the mirror. See if she back this thing out right. Oh, we gonna hit every car in here.
I just want to have our cars right here.
I'm glad ain't none of the old school back there. You gonna hit your Denali?
Hmm?
Gonna hit your Denali?
No, I'm looking right there.
Alright then.
If anything, it's... I'll try not to get on the seat right there.
Can't scrape big Meech now.
Huh?
Any other car in the house can be scraped. It's still this. Trying to go slow so the bottom fall out, y'all. But when we get out of here, we're gonna check back in. So y'all stay tuned. What is it, y'all? I missed it. Hit the gas. I should have recorded it, y'all. That's why the camera came on laughing, man. See, I should have got her first reaction in the gas pedal. I told you to rear into this thing. She has never drove this car. It's the first time ever driving this car. Look right there. Don't look over the thing. Just start the hood scoop, y'all. Talking about the hood scoop. I ain't never felt they car drive this slow, y'all.
This is that like
Nah, that when you press the gas, now that was funny. Y'all check out this turn right here, cause see, she gotta look over the hood scoop.
Yeah, I do.
Pressing the gas. Driving like middays at first. Oh boy. We gotta hurry up. We're trying to get to Mexico so it don't rain, so you know. See it driving like a regular car.
Yeah, that's it.
She ain't never drove this car, man. I had 3 motors in this car.
I did drive one time.
You didn't drive this car?
Yes, I did.
You ain't never drove this car. You drove the Cutlass.
No, I ain't talking about that.
You ain't never drove this car. You was scared all the time. She ain't never drive this car. You definitely didn't drive with the big block.
I said, I believe
You
I
said
thought that made me think of something.
You said you would drive, but
Oh, I did. I tell you, like.
I don't remember you ever drive the car. Scared.
A long time ago.
Yeah, well, this is your spot right here. This is your spot right here. You do it right here. Look, when you do the burnout, you got to go all the way down to low. Pull the shifter all the way down. All the way down till it stop. Alright, so she's in low. Then you just heat them up. Then let off the gas and then just stop. While the tires spin.
I ain't doing that. Okay. Right. Huh? Yeah. So when I get through, I just let off.
Alright, so she's about to make it happen, y'all. Hold the brake. Hold the brake and the gas. Huh? Yeah, when the tires start spinning good, when I go like this, let up out the brake.
So when I take my foot off the gas and I'm let off the brake.
When the tires start spinning, when I go like this, let your foot out the brake and then just keep the gas and then let the car go forward just a little bit, then just come out the gas.
Alright, so put it on the gas.
Brakes.
And then when you do that, I'm still gonna be on the gas and take off the brake.
Yo, the tire gonna be spinning, we doing the burnout.
And the car ain't gonna go over there.
No, that's why I say you're just gonna go forward a little bit. Alright, let's go. Come on, press to the floor. She did the burnout. She did the burnout. So we got the footage, y'all. We got the footage. She did the burnout. So now it's time to go. Hold on, put it back in drive.
Oh.
Go all the way up. So now,
Yeah. Oh. It really did.
now you gotta pay attention to what you're doing. All right. So now we about to get back to the house, y'all. We'll get the afterthoughts. All right. Checking in. This little lady.
Yes, I did it.
Did a burnout.
Just in time for the rain.
Yeah. What's your thoughts of the first burnout?
It was good. I mean, it wasn't no problem.
Telling you was nervous though.
Okay, I was a little nervous because I didn't want to go in the ditch.
Yeah, what you kept asking me?
What?
Is it gonna go sideways?
Yeah, that was my fear, going in the ditch or something like that.
She said, is it gonna go
Yeah.
sideways?
You have to hurry up and figure something out.
Y'all make sure to subscribe to her YouTube channel too. It's on screen. But okay, I'm done with you for today. I guess I'm done with her for today. My car endeavors. So yeah, man, that was a fun little video. I wish I could have got the first part though when she first pressed the gas and the car hopped, man. That was funny. That was funny for real. She pressed that gas and that car hopped, boy. That tripped me out. But yep, that's it, y'all. I'm back. It's been the thunderstorm, so I gotta cover up Meech real quick, close the garage up, all that good stuff. So I catch y'all tomorrow. We'll be back on Dolo, going to the shop to work on Dolo tomorrow. Get some stuff done, get it ready. So yep, I catch y'all tomorrow at Joe Buddy Racing. So appreciate everybody. I'm out.